Hi YouTube! Have you found yourself Googling how to make Sazon because a certain CEO of a certain spice company did something super annoying and now you can't use their products anymore? Well, if that's you, keep watching and you'll learn how to make Sazon. We'll need 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. I put in about 1/3 teaspoon of salt, and that's more of a hint of salt than anything else because you'll be using salt when you cook. At least you should be. And this is achiote or anato. That is the real star of the show. It is used in lots of Latinx and Caribbean dishes, and it adds some flavor and lots of color. We're going to brown these up too. We're going to take our 4 tablespoons of achiote or anato or red stuff, and we're going to pour it in our pilon, which is what Haitian people call the mortar and pestle. I can't even say the words, but you know what I mean, this thing. And then we're going to grind it up until it is a fine powder. And if you get tired of using the pilon, I would suggest moving to a blender or a food processor, and that is what I'm going to do now. I just put this in here so my grandma wouldn't judge me. Let's check on our anato. Whoa! Do you remember the cinnamon challenge?
Yeah, I did.
This, that was my sister Leah. Yeah, this is the anato challenge. Try not to cough this up. Okay, so we're going to take our pepper and we're going to put this in here too to be grounded up. I feel like the blender isn't getting the bottom part of the mixture, so I'm going to mix it up myself to make sure that everything is fully incorporated together. Now we're going to take our mixture. Just because I'm paranoid that it's not mixed enough, I'm going to pour it into the pilon and whisk it up just to make sure that it's as incorporated as it could be. So our final product is, drum roll please.
Get it.
I was waiting to see how long it was gonna take for them to say anything. This is our final product. Look at it. It's so disty. We're going to take our cute little airtight container, which was just like $1. Use our funnel pour in our Sazon. And there you have it, your very own homemade Sazon. You can use 1 tablespoon of Sazon for every packet of the product that shall not be named. And it's my second time using it. I'm really happy about it. My grandmother approves, so yay. Yeah, now you have your very own Sazon that you can use without compromising your morals or your politics. Bye.